Hello everyone. So today I have two programs for recommend to promote your YouTube video and push your YouTube ranking. Okay, the first one I recommend to the vidIQ, and the second I recommend to the TubeBuddy. Okay, so for the step we can go to the Chrome and you can get started and next and next continue. It's right here for put in account. Next. Okay, you can search the name vidIQ. vidIQ for Chrome and free download. I recommend to the Chrome because the V is open with the browser Chrome. Okay. Yes, here. Okay, so we try to add to Chrome, add extension. So what is the difference between we have vidIQ and without LQ? Okay, I test with the video first. We go to the YouTube. Yeah. Okay, so I will test with this one. Yeah. Example. You can click to this one. So very different. So it's not to show you. So what is the rank? What is the SEO? What is the people can look into your channel. Okay. So I will add the Gmail and add account to the vidIQ for what is the difference between LQ and without LQ. Okay, I select Google. Sorry. Despite this one is what is different between we use without vidIQ and use with LQ. Yeah, there will also the overview like 100 100 score and per hour they can voting, and so they show all like SEO. Yes, about the title, about the page, about the description. So here very helpful for full that want to promote your YouTube's video and YouTube's ranking, push your YouTube ranking. Yeah, here you see it's very helpful. Yeah, and can mention about the location. This one is mentioned about the Singapore channel. Other one, okay, that's fine for this channel. And with LQ I can skip the one and go through to the TubeBuddy. Okay, I will open another one for use. Okay, go to TubeBuddy for Chrome, and then you can scroll down and you take for TubeBuddy Google Chrome and Google Chrome download. Yes, you can click here and go through to extension to Google. You can add to Chrome, add extension. After that, you a bit waiting for the Google checking. Okay, very easy for install and relate with your YouTube channel. It's very easy for fools that want to be a YouTuber with a boom video, with a full person that boom video, always to specific with the keyword. The keyword very important for promote your YouTube as well. Your video also before you use with the keyword, you also have a title, description, tag each the keyword and SEO for search. It's very important for you, and especially even you want to be full search your YouTube video, you always you must be to join with this. This lesson is very important and will be helpful. Just to log into your account. Yeah, and you just to key the password. Yeah. Okay, it's done. You can go through to the extension, and then you can go through to the TubeID. Some like extension, and yeah, you go to the detail. Yes, you go to open. Yes, that's all. And you can go to the youtube.com. Yeah, here you can click here, allow, and I have to thank you for install TubeID, and you can click this one, and you can go through to your Google account and go through to your channel. It will be mentioned about the channel after they click. Okay, so when you click to the sign in, there has been a tick here, successfully sign in, and you can go to one video for test between no TubeID and have TubeID. Yeah, this one will be mentioned about the SEO, about review, about the snake. Yeah, total review is the 19 and comment 0 and like 2 and SEO. This one is mentioned all, so very easy for you, and the best keyword and SEO you can check with the SEO score, and for the click on the Facebook and key tag like the SEO as well. It's very helpful for you with the SEO. Okay, for my video, so and thank you so much for your watching. Thank you.